Okay.
Wreck or something.
So we couldn't find the cats. Both naked boys were missing. We come out to the garage. They had gotten in a kitty toy, both of them, and had knocked the boxes over and enclosed themselves into the toy and can't get out.
Oh.
So they've been trapped in here for a couple hours.
I got it, Shelby. Just let me get it, okay?
Trapped in here for a tornado warning.
Did you get stuck, boys?
Darling.
Huh? There, one's getting free.
The other one's like, bro.
Oh, they've been in there for a couple hours.
Watch out. Everybody back up.
I don't think they've learned their lesson.
Alright, we've got it. One's free and now the other's free. Alright.